In this video, we will show you how to restart your Windows PC using just your keyboard. There are 4 methods to do so. Let's go through each one step by step. Method 1 is keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. If that doesn't work, try pressing Alt plus Fn plus F4 instead. A shutdown window will appear. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate until the restart option is highlighted. Now hit the enter key to restart your Windows computer. The second method is via quick link menu. Press the Windows key plus X, then press the U key and finally hit the R key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the arrow keys to navigate through the menu and press enter to select the restart option. In the third method, we will use the command to restart the computer. Press Windows key plus R to open it, then type the command shutdown space -R space -T space 0 and hit enter. This will immediately restart your PC. The last method is using the Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete shortcut. On this screen, you will see the power button at the bottom right corner. Use the arrow keys to select it, then choose the restart option and press enter. That's it for now, guys. Let us know in the comment if the video was helpful to you. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.